In today's video, I will show you how to download, install, and use VAG DTC Delete software. This version needs no activation or passwords. I have provided a download link to this software in the video description. Free and easy to use, supports Bosch EDC16 ME7 ECU'S. Please enjoy the video and comment your success smiley face still.
Now I'm all alone, 'cause you never show. You say you will, but then you don't. That's how it goes. Don't wanna know. I'm turning off my mind so I get by. I just wanna be happy, happy tonight. For you in the morning, I'ma leave without giving a warning. I'ma leave without giving a. But every time we say goodbye, we all know that it's a lie. Now I'm all alone, 'cause you never show. You say you will, but then you don't. That's how it goes. Don't wanna know. Turning off my mind so I get by. I just wanna be happy.